I think you're eating. I don't know your name. That's not what I'm doing. The Lawnmowers of Moweaqua. Isn't that funny? It's going to take them a while, but I think they're... That's some good work there. This model, she'll run you about $5,000. And if you get the dual, that's an extra $2,000. Throw in the small one. But it's a pretty effective lawnmower. Okay, this is how they work. They just go around the yard all day, just like that little Oscar that you put in the, or Free Willy, I mean, that you put in the pool. They just work their way around all day. So you don't have your lawn all mowed on one day, but it's a continual. And you'll have a few stick-ups here and there, but that makes them happy when they are working their way around and they just need a snack. Okay, well, let's see if this girl is pretty from this side. It's the dark. So Doggy is back there, making sure everything's okay back there. Spirit! Here, girl. Come here, Spirit. Come on. She's going through the grass. Come on, girl. She's like a lion in the tall grass. Come on, girl. Come on back through here. Come on. Okay, yep, that is a big horse. Got quite a few horsepower on, well, 1 horsepower, I guess, on that mower. There's 2 men over by the pig pen. Talking about men things.
Yeah, I knew people had livestock and they run your life.
Uncle Dwight, how much you get for a lawnmower, 1 horsepower lawnmower like those?
You what?
Come on, boy, keep up. 1 horsepower. 1 horse mobile.
Lawnmower stuff.
Those are your lawnmowers, your 1 horsepower lawnmowers, aren't they?
They're cheap.
Hi, honey.
Okay, say goodbye. This is
Bye.
our lawnmower video. Okay.
All right, city boys going to the shade.